Hello traders, good evening. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, the Stock Monger. This is Ali Abbas. Please do like, share, and subscribe to the content. And I'll be just running you through to today's trades. Today was a very tough day. I'll tell you why. Okay. So what happened? It opened flat or slightly gapped down, and then it just fell and came back up to the same level where the selling started. So what I had was I had some put shorts and I had some call shorts, which was going fine up till here over here till 2 o'clock. Now 2 o'clock there was a lot of zigzag movement. If you see, I'll just expand this a little more. Okay, it was going down, it dipped and then shot back up and then dipped again, shot back up three times in 15 minutes. See this, one, two, three. And I just took my eye off the charts because I was keep on watching the tracker on the sensible to show me the what you say, the profits that would come out if it's held within a range. So I lost sight of this, and that was my mistake. I was in 5,500 rupees profit, which came down to 4,500, and then suddenly this candle just took out everything, and I squared all my positions off. I have screenshots of that. I'll just show it to you. So here, this was the profit at around I would say 2 o'clock, and then by around 2:30 it reduced to this much. This actually had gone up to 6,000, and the sensible tracker was showing a probable profit of 9,200. So what I thought is, since the difference is 3,000, I will do a 1:2 risk reward ratio, meaning if I get the entire 3,000, well and good, or if the profit starts to move downwards, I will risk it off at half of the difference, that is 3,000. So of 3,000, that is 1,500. So 1,500 take away from 6,000, it will come to 4,500. But I don't know why I sat with some hope, and at the end this was the closing profit. As you can see, this will probably be eaten up mostly by the charges, but that is where I lost. And always the discipline, the rule that you always set, you should always follow it, guys. Today I had a set of rule. I just left that one rule. That one major rule is what I left, and I lost all my gains for the day. So pretty disappointed with that. I'll just go back to the chart. Here we are back on the chart. So when this bottom was taken out and it kept falling, again there was a spike and then a fall and then a spike and a fall. So the calls that I had, I left them to be where it is. I did not touch them. They decayed to zero. The puts I kept shifting downwards, but I just couldn't get exactly where to shift them down to, because I was in 19,500. It expanded over here, so I cut it off and shifted it to 19,450. This also came and met. It came in the money, and that started expanding very quickly. Then I shifted to then 19,400 had no value at all. Even after this, it was just ranging at 1 or 2. So what do I do with 1 or 2 points? And I just kept shifting, and those losses actually ate up most of the profits because the moves were so quick. I'll just show you on the chart over here. Yeah, as you can see, there is my profit around 1,300. It fell down a little more. So where exactly? Yeah, FinNifty 19,500 put. If I just show you how quickly this expanded in one candle. Okay, here exactly over here. Okay, you can see even my lines were drawn where I shorted it over here, and I waited. It came down, came back up, spiked back, but I didn't touch it. Again it came down. It was around the single digit mark over here at 240, but my arrogance, my stubbornness to hold on to it, I paid the price, where it started spiking up really fast. And then this dip came. I said okay, 30. It came back to 35. My shorting was 44, and then suddenly a spike over here. Now I was heavily loaded, and uh, this actually took off a lot of profits from whatever gains I had. That's the problem with shorting options, guys. Your gains can get wiped out in an instant. So this was my mistake today. I really regret it. I have no carry forward of this pain for the rest of the evening. I am going to get back on trading tomorrow. Tomorrow is a Wednesday. Expect a downward and then a ranging market. There could be spikes on either side. So if you are writing options, please be very careful. If you are buying options, then yes, mark your entries and exits, and please manage your risk. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much.